Today's video, I'll show you how to fix WWE 2K20 crash on startup and not launching issues. Let's fix it, guys. Open a File Explorer and go to Documents and open the WWE 2K20 folder and right click on the config and select delete option. If the game won't it open, the config is often corrupted or contains unsupported settings. Deleting it forces WWE 2K20 to create a fresh, clean config at next start. And as you can see, the config file is created. If the game crashes because your PC is low end, forcing low settings in config can let it launch. To do this, right click on the config and select Edit in Notepad and make these settings to off. The body density 0, depth of field off, motion blur off, shadows off, simple lighting off, texture quality 0, and resolution set this to 720 into 1080. Both option same, and select the file option and select save, and the settings will be saved in game. Now just launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. Go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on Open it. Tap on Virus and Threat Protection and select Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Manage Controlled Folder Access. Turn off this controlled folder access. Controlled folder access blocks the games from writing save files, creating config files, loading shaders. So when blocked, the game fails to launch silently with no errors. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.